Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing okay. I have got one of two Boots Beauty Advent Calendars. This is the skincare one. It costs £70, has a value of £219. It contains 24 products, 20 of which are full size. Now, as well as this one, they do have the premium beauty calendar, and that one costs £150 and has a whopping value of £612. If you're interested in this one or the premium one, then as always, you'll find links to them down below in my description, and down there you see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on showing you then what's inside this one. Okay, day number one is the big one over here, and we've got a Korean beauty product. This is Anua 70 Plus Glow Milky Toner, enriched with rice bran water, helps the skin glow with a refreshing lightweight finish. And there's 250 mils there. A glowy milky toner. So it contains rice water, ceramide and lanolin. Day number two, and we've got Burt's Bees. Ooh, salted caramel lip balm. I haven't tried this before. Salted caramel just sounds amazing. I'm just going to be licking it all the time. Right, let's have a sniff. That is so nice. That is so nice. Yeah, the perfect salted caramel smell. Yeah, I love that. What are we? Day number three here. I like the fact that there's 20 full sizes. It's really good, isn't it? So this is Q&A. AHA exfoliator, so it's a body scrub. So AHAs, which are alpha hydroxy acids, help to gently exfoliate the skin, smooth rough bumpy patches and improve skin's texture for a radiant glow. Golden vanilla and coconut scent. And there is 250 mils there. I've already got one of these, but a little small version. I think probably like 15 mils. I got it in a different advent calendar. Day number four up here. And we've got Boots Aqua Hydrating Water Gel Moisturizer. So this is Boots' own brand. I love the little pot. Our moisturiser is formulated with hyaluronic acid, which enables the protection of the skin's barrier and enhances hydration. A proven lightweight and fast absorbing texture that glides easily onto skin. Definitely a water gel moisturiser. Day number five, and we got Super Facialist, and this is Vitamin C Plus Brightening Skin Renew Cleansing Oil with olive and grapeseed oils, super glow, and there's 100 mils. I got this in the same advent calendar as the Q&A. I think it's the Holland & Barrett advent calendar. So I've got two of these now. I haven't used this for a while, but it is a really nice oil cleanser. It smells amazing. If I remember, it smells really quite strong of orange. Yeah, it's just so, I just love citrusy smells. Yeah, that's lovely. What advent calendars then are you loving so far? I have got Space NK, literally came 10 minutes ago. I would have done that, but I had all of this set up. I've got ASOS as well. That was a bit late come in. I got the Elemis 24-day advent calendar. I've got the Fragrance Look Fantastic calendar. I got the Yepada Korean beauty calendar. I think that's it as far as what is waiting for me to film, but I have ordered quite a few more. Oh, I like this brand. I forgot what it's called. Round Lab. It's another Korean beauty brand. I've currently got the cleansing gel down in my bathroom. This is a birch juice sunscreen. High protection, SPF 50. This is quite a new brand for me. I've literally only tried the cleansing gel and it is really nice. I absolutely love Korean skincare. The Yepada advent calendar I've got down there. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. It is so nice. I've yet to try any of the products prior to getting this calendar, so I cannot wait to try them. But yeah, I hope you enjoy watching that. That might go up after this one. I'll see. You got SPF by Round Lab. Day number 7 down here. I wasn't sure which one to go for, the Ultimate Beauty one or this one. I might still go for the Ultimate one. What do you think? Will you watch it? A load of you absolutely loved the Space NK advent calendar. The amount of clicks I've had on my links for that advent calendar, I think that one's the biggest sellout so far this year. I'm only a small YouTuber, but I can see roughly in comparison to how many of you click on my other links to other advent calendars, and Space NK is miles more. I'm talking too much, I'm sorry. This is a Garnier Skincare Moisture Bomb Sheet Mask. Super hydrating, glow revival. I'm keeping any sheet masks I receive in advent calendars because I'm going to take them to Lithuania with me when I get my boobies done and get my arms and my boobs lifted. I just thought I'm not going to be up for doing makeup and stuff, so I thought sheet masks would be really nice. Day number 8 up here. What have we got? We've got Aveeno, and this is Skin Renewal Smoothing Cream. It softens and smooths for dry, rough and bumpy skin. Also suitable for people who may be prone to keratosis pilaris, which my children do. Both of my younger ones. I think they follow after their dad, as my eldest son, he doesn't have it, and neither do I. But anyway, fragrance-free with nourishing oat, naturally derived, PHA and niacinamide, and there is 50 mils here. Aveeno's a really nice brand. Nice creams, and I know my daughter likes this. I had this in another advent calendar. Do you know what? They're all starting to blur into one now. I don't know how many I've unboxed so far. Is it about 10? I don't know. But they're all, yeah, they're literally all blurring into one. Day number 9. And we got the Inkey List. This is caffeine eye cream, formulated for tired eyes. And there's 15 mils here. This is full size. A lightweight cream containing caffeine, an antioxidant derived from coffee that helps to reduce puffiness, the appearance of dark circles, and helps prevent skin from the impact of free radicals. So this will last you ages. You only need a tiny, tiny bit. I do like caffeine eye cream. Day number 10. And we've got St. Moritz. This is a gradual tan, a tinted glow, light colour coverage for instant skin perfection. Contains Q10, which promotes repair and regeneration. Builds a natural tan. There's 150 mils here. This is going to be a love-hate product for a lot of you. It's the same as like when you have eyelashes, fake eyelashes in beauty boxes. It's like, some of you love it, some of you hate it. I personally love it, although I don't think I've ever tried this. I haven't used St. Moritz in such a long time. I used to get the foam, used to be really great, but yeah, I haven't tried this one. I do like a gradual tan, but more so in the summer, not so much in the winter, so I might keep that, save it for next year. But yeah, I don't know what it's like, can't tell you. Okay, day number 11. What have we got? Oh, Starface. This is a Hydro Star pimple patches, absorbs fluid, protects skin and shrinks spots. This is a little trial pack of 4 dots. 4 dots, 4 stars I mean. Whenever I get any patches like this, I always give them to my daughter. So she'll be having those. Day number 12. And we got PIXI Hydrating Milky Mist. Hyaluronic acid and oat. It's a soothing mist and there's 80 mils. I have got a ton of facial mists now, absolutely loads of them. And I love them. I can't give them away. And I use different ones all the time. I do have my favourites, obviously. I'm just talking too much. It's going to take me hours to edit this video. I'll edit a load of my chat out, I promise. Oh, it's a really nice fine mist. Oh, that feels so nice. Oh, it has a nice smell. Oh, that does smell really nice. I don't know what it is. Yeah, very subtle. Yeah, I like that. Hydrating milky mist. So a soothing mist. My forehead feels soaked. I'm not going to touch it though. Right, what are we? Day number 13. We've got Soap and Glory. This is a face and clarity soap with vitamin C for cleaner, smoother, more radiant skin. And there's 50 mils there. Can you see the little balls in there? Got tiny little balls. I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, it smells nice. Marine, like, not like seaweed, like aquamarine type scents. Oh, I do like it. It's nice and fresh. Day number 14. Here. BYOMA, yes. This is a melting balm cleanser. Barrier lipids, grapeseed oil, olive fruit extract. So boosted barrier, better skin. And there's 60 grams. I love the packaging. It's so cool, isn't it? I really like it. Yeah. Have I tried this? Don't think I have. Ooh. What is it? See? A little pop. No scent. No scent whatsoever. The design is baffling me because it looks quite small, and I'm thinking, is it like a refillable? But then you wouldn't refill with a balm, would you? No, ignore me, ignore me. It's just quirky packaging, that's all. Day number 15. Oh, we got Lena Lips. This is 101 ointment, multi-purpose super balm. So it's a lip balm, more like a treatment lip balm. 100% natural, 101 uses. So it hydrates dry lips, skin patches, cuticles, elbows and more. So it's like a Dr. Pawpaw type multi-purpose balm. Day number 16. We've got Lumine, gorgeous Finnish brand. This is Nordic Sea Glow Boost Essence. The Nordic Sea range is my favourite from this brand. With vitamin C and Arctic Cloudberry for all skin types. I love the vitamin C cleanser, the night cream and the exfoliator as well. It's just such a gorgeous brand. I do really like it. And if you want to try the brand and you're not sure if you'd like it or not, they do feature a lot in the Boots £10 Tuesday offers. They do every single Tuesday because they do feature a lot of Lumine. What are we on? I think 17, isn't it? Okay, simple. Mattifying UV fluid. So it's SPF 50, high protection, glutamino and PHA. It mattifies and blurs imperfections. Ooh. I might use an SPF 30 during the winter, but if there's an SPF 50 there, I'll slap that on. Can you see? This is really liquidy. That might be mattifying, but I don't know how it will blur. I'll give that a go though. Day number 18. We've got Anua, and this is 100 plus. I thought that said porn. It's not porn. PDRN and hyaluron. So it's a hyaluronic acid capsule, 100% serum, and there's 30 mils there. I did an iHerb unboxing of a Korean beauty bag. Still available on their website. If you're a first time shopper on the website, then you can get this Korean skincare beauty bag for like £13.50. And there's a few products from this brand in there. I've yet to go through it properly. I've got a few things all in the corner there, a few boxes that I've unboxed over the last month or so. I need to go through it and start testing things. I just keep seeing porn. Not visually, just the word. That's all I'm seeing. So it's a hyaluronic acid serum, basically, by Anua. Okay, day number 19 here. We got Cetaphil. This is a rich night cream for dry to very dry sensitive skin. Hydrates for 48 hours and fully restores the skin barrier. Contains niacinamide, panthenol and vitamin E. So yeah, so a handy sort of moisturising cream to have, isn't it? I don't suffer really badly from dry skin. My skin does change as we come into winter, but I'd say my skin is combination, so it can be a little bit drying on my cheeks there, but then the middle is not oily, but normalish, I suppose. I'm on medication to control my excessively greasy sebum production. I just think that might be a nice one to have just in case I do have some really dry skin for whatever reason. Okay, day number 20 up here. Oh, I've had this before. What is it? What is it? It's another Korean beauty brand. This is Tocobo, and it's a Vitaglaze lip mask, vitamin E, olive oil and pomegranate. Where did I get it from? I wonder if it's actually from a Boots beauty box, because Boots do bring out limited edition beauty boxes all the time, and I do unbox them. Not all of them, because I can't keep up with them, but I do unbox them now and again. It's so cute, isn't it? And you've got a little spoon there, a little spatula. Very slight citrusy, orangey smell, I think. But I love that pot. I use lip masks every night, but I haven't used that one yet. I wonder if it's over there in the corner, waiting to be sorted. Day number 21, Boots Own ingredients. Salicylic acid cleanser. With salicylic acid, a BHA, this cleanser leaves skin looking visibly less oily without feeling dry. It deeply cleanses your skin of dirt, oil and makeup, removes excess oil from pores, non-drying, and 150 mils there. 22. We've got Bubble Skincare. This is Slam Dunk Hydrating Moisturiser, 50 mils. I'm a rich hydrating cream that helps to restore Moisture, calm skin, prone to redness and visibly improved texture. I'm best for normal to dry and sensitive skin types. Have I got this by the side of me? No. I have had this there before. I like it because you pump up the cream like that. So there's that. Day number 23. It's a 24-day advent calendar, isn't it? Right, yeah. Oh, we've got a mask. Modern Chemistry. Niacinamide, walnut collagen, hydrogel mask to restore. I've never heard of walnut collagen in face masks before. Our mask contains a complex of ingredients to deeply hydrate and moisturize the skin. It enhances the skin's elasticity, making it appear tighter. Pores appear minimized while signs of aging are reduced. Yeah, it's a little bit different. Okay, day number 24, the last day of the advent calendar. It is a heavy one. What is it? Oh, it's another Korean beauty brand. This is Haruharu Wonder. This is a black rice moisture deep cleansing oil. Unscented. And 150 mils there. It says worry-free deep moisture cleansing with 95% natural ingredients. I mix things up. Sometimes I use a cleansing balm. When I've got lots of makeup on, I use a cleansing balm or I use an oil. If I haven't got much makeup on at all, I'll just use like a cleansing gel. So yeah, so there you go. Those are all the products in 24 Days of Skin Advent Calendar by Boots. It costs £70. It has a value of £219 and 20 of the 24 products inside are all full sizes. I really like it. I think there's a really good mix in there. Love the fact that we've got quite a few Korean beauty products in there as well. So yeah, I think it's a really nice advent calendar for the price and the fact that there's lots and lots of full-size products. If you go onto the Boots website, they have a photo of all the products inside the advent calendars, and I honestly think this one is better than the Ultimate one, and it's more than half the price of the Ultimate one. The Ultimate one has got some really nice products in there, don't get me wrong, there's some really nice products in there, but no, I think this one I prefer. I'd love to know your thoughts though. What do you think? Did you buy this one for yourself or did you buy the Ultimate? Or are you watching this thinking, nah, it's not for me this year? I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.